I'm going to show you the odd function. Okay, with the odd function, it's a function that's going to receive an integer value as a parameter. Then it's going to check whether that value is odd or even. Okay, so if it's odd, it will return a true value. If it's even, it's going to send back false. Okay, so I think the best inputs will be a spin edit. Because spin edit is already an integer data type. Let's add a button for the process and a label for the output. Okay, so when we click on the button, the first thing I want to do is I want to assign spin edit.value to a variable. Check what. Okay, so I'm gonna create my variable. Let's say inum, integer. I want to take whatever the user entered in the spin edit. So it's spin edit.value, and I want to put that into the integer value inum. Okay, so now we can call the odd function. So it's odd. Okay, so looking for integer value, we already have the integer value, it's inum. Okay, so let's use this in if statement. If odd is equals to true, then that means it's an odd number. Let's display a suitable message in the label. So it's label 1 caption. Say yes, odd number. Okay, else if it's not an odd number, it must be an even number. So if it's not true, it can only be false. So if it's false, we change the label 1.caption to something from no, it's an even number. Okay, so what is a function? Receives an integer value. Check whether that value is odd or even. If it's odd, it sends back a true, then it will display this message, yes, odd number. If it's not an odd number, it's going to send back a false value. Then it's going to go into the else part. It's going to say, no, it's not an even number. Okay, so let's save it quickly here. And then you can run it to test whether it works or not. Okay, so because it's spin edit, it automatically take an odd number, integer number, and put it into inum. Check odd. No, it's an even number. That means that it's an even number. Like 7. Yes, it's an odd number. So we can test for odd or even number. Maybe we must do something like just state what it is. Odd, even. I think that will simplify it a bit. Okay, so number 5, it's an odd number. Number 10, it's an even number. Okay, so that's the odd function. You can also use mods, and then you can actually test whether the mod value is equal to 0. If mod is equal to 0, then it's an even number. If mod is not equal to 0, then it's an odd number. So you can actually use both in a very similar way.